Let's see the life cycle of butterfly, tree, human, and hens. First, germinating seed, grow into sprouts. Next step is saplings. Next, grown into tree. This is life cycle of tree. Baby, second stage is child. Next stage is adult. Next stage is old. This is this life cycle of human. Eggs, next stage is a hatching. Chick, hen. This is the life cycle of hen. Eggs, caterpillar, pupa, butterfly. This is this life cycle of butterfly. Eggs, larva, juvenile fish, adult fish. This is the life cycle of fish. Eggs, tadpole, froglet, frog. This is the life cycle of frog. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.